Hi, hope everybody's enjoying this beautiful afternoon. The sun is coming in and out. It's not cold. I saw my mom. She's good. This is the broccoli that I made the other day. I made 2 batches and I put them in the freezer, and I just took this out because I went and got Chinese food. Got my egg roll and I got chicken wings with plain fried rice, so it doesn't come with any vegetable. Oh, I forgot my scissor. Okay. Got my scissor, and I got my broccoli that I had in the freezer, and I saved the cooking water. I'm gonna put it in the rice because it has a lot of flavor. I'll throw it in. So I got my mustard. Let me get my egg roll out. Get something good to eat. Stay hydrated. I'm gonna put on everything. I'm so hungry because I just had that oatmeal. I was starving. I'm gonna put on my broccoli and my chicken wings. I got chicken wings. And the rice, did you give me a fork? No. Okay. I'm back. Actually, I like to do the rice with the spoon. So this is just plain fried rice. And my broccoli. My broccoli. I think I need another one for my egg roll as I go along. Let me try one of these wings. Hot. I don't understand why people gotta leave nasty messages. Like this morning, I bothered somebody. I'm like, really? Troll, please. Go bother your family. Oh, they don't talk to you. Oh, I wonder. No clue? No clue. Good for you. That's it. Enjoy the rest of the weekend. I do believe Ancient Aliens is on, so I'm gonna overdose on that. Some Columbo. Which way did I open it? Oh, this way.